Okay folks, today we have a fresh trade-in 2016 Honda Pilot EXL with rear entertainment. This vehicle is going to give you some nice luxury items as far as fog lights in the front. You're going to have privacy glass in the back, Honda lane watch. You're also going to have some awesome interior features. So let me show you some of those things. Okay folks, taking a look at the back of this Pilot here, you'll notice of course it does have the third row seating for any extra passengers you may want to bring along. You also have this extra storage area here, which can be covered up with this cover there as well. You're also going to have a power lift tailgate with a backup camera also. Moving to the back seats, plenty of leg room back here. You're going to notice the nice leather ivory interior, extremely comfortable for any passengers you may have back here. You're also going to have the two-pronged outlet as well as some headphone jacks and AC adapters as well. And you're going to have the wireless headphones that come with this and rear entertainment, which is pretty awesome for the kids. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you do have a power driver and passenger seat. You're going to have Sirius XM capabilities, auto dimming rear view mirror. You're going to have heated seats in this vehicle as well as the DVD player that goes to the rear entertainment that I mentioned earlier. All right, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Road to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2016 Honda Pilot EXL with rear entertainment, less than 30,000 miles, folks, and this vehicle is certified pre-owned, meaning you get tons of extra warranty and protection with this vehicle. Four-wheel drive will take you anywhere you need to go. Make sure you come see me, Tristan, when you come to check it out. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.